Hello and welcome to another table editor update. This one's going to be about some of the new stuff in the new DLC. So right off the bat, you can see that there's a new flipper set up here. There's a second one. There's a couple different visual themes to match the new tables that have come out as well. There's also going to be 3 new songs that you can pick in the song menu here. Just basically all the stuff that you might expect in terms of the DLC content. In addition to that, the big main things in the new update here are going to be there's new LEDs that you can choose and new DMD animations that you can pick from. So I'll just show those off now. So first off, if you go into the LED section in the visuals, I got rid of 2 of the options. There was a circle one and a triangle, and I only have the paw here now. So if you click on the paw, place it on the table, and then you can click on this to edit it. And then now there's this little drop down here, so you can change the icon. And there's a whole whack of icons. I believe there's 41 is what I wrote down. So let's do the hazard alternate. So boom, that's that. So you can just go ahead and change it to something else. You can maybe make it. You're gonna have to kind of flip through and find what you want. You can do all sorts of stuff. But these are all the ones that you might be able to find in the game already. So, like in the main game, I started adding these things. So I decided, hey, if I'm using them in the main game, maybe people want to use them for the level editor. So, yeah, I went ahead and added that. So. Do the lightning bolt. There you go. The other big thing that I added was in the trials menu. So if you go to save and then you click on this star, that's how you make trials or pinball missions. We can make a new mission here. And then before, you could always see the different animations that you get on the DMD there. And there's a whole bunch of different ones that you can pick from. And that was always in the game. But what I've done in a recent update is I've made it so that you can actually change it, because originally I just wanted the pause because it was kind of the Roxy thing, but to kind of better tell the story of the game and the table that you're on, people are saying like, oh, maybe change the icon. So that was actually a user request. So I went ahead and did that. So let's kind of go through some of them and just, there you go. Doesn't always need to be paused anymore. You can do all these other things, and again, it's to match whatever the theme of the table is. But if I decide, hey, you're gonna be using it in the core game, might as well add it to the level editor just for the heck of it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this update. I think if there's anything else, they're gonna be, oh, there's new sound effects. So it's a retro themed DLC pack that I'm adding. So in terms of the visuals and the flipper setups and the music and whatnot, there's also going to be bumpers, slingshots, rollovers, and targets all have new sounds that you can pick from to be retro themed. And one last thing is, where is it? Mechanics. If we add a flipper, no, actually, I think it's in. Sorry, I don't use this as much as I should be. Flippers. Yeah, of course. There's a section dedicated to flippers. Yeah. So if we go to the flipper, we edit the flipper. I added a new drop down for audio for the flipper. So there's only 2 audio choices. Before it was always just the default, but I added a new retro sound. It's slightly different sounding flipper sound. And yeah, so now that's one additional option that you can do. And that's going to be everything for this update.